Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create an account in Douyin. Then just simply open the application. Now just simply tap exactly where I am tapping. So firstly just simply tap on this cross icon. Then click on this bottom right icon over here. Then just simply check this box over here. Now click on the icon where it says plus 86. So it is the country code for the Chinese mobile number. So just simply hit that number and find your code. Like for USA it might be 1, but for me it's 91 because I'm in Asia, India. So just simply find your country code. And when you get your country code, just simply tap on it. Now just simply enter your mobile number. Then just simply hit the red button over here. Now just simply wait for 50 to 60 seconds until you get the OTP, which you can see over here. Then just simply enter the OTP. Then click on the cross icon over here. Now click on this icon over here. Now if this type of red icon pops up, and now you will be redirected to this login page again. And the reason for that is your phone number was not able to create an account in Douyin. So now what you have to do is you have to just simply tap this icon over here at the top. Just simply hit that. Now a new type of page will appear. So over here just simply scroll down and tap this option. Now just simply wait for a few seconds until the setting page loads up. So over here what you will do is just simply tap on the red icon at the bottom side and a new page will pop up. Now over here you have to enter the description and the problem that you are facing. So now firstly hit the middle icon over here, then enter your description and the problem that you are facing, and also enter your mobile number with your country code. So just simply do that. Then after writing your issue, just simply copy it and paste it over here. Now after that just simply hit on the photo icon over here and attach an image in which you are actually facing the issue. So over here just simply select the third icon. Now allow the access to your device. Then choose the image where you are facing the problem. Click on the red icon at the bottom side over here and the image will be uploaded. Now over here if you want, you can again add your mobile number with your country code. So do that and enter your mobile number. And after doing all of that, just simply hit the red icon over here and submit it. Now within a few hours or days, the support team will contact you and will help you to log into your account or help you to create your account. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.